In this video, I'll show you how to download font in Davinci Resolve. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So here you can see I have this basic font and now I want to download the new one. So to download that, what you need to do, just go and open a browser, just explore all the sites from where you want to download the font. Like many websites are there in order to download font. I'm using dafont.com to download the fonts. Here you will find couple of categories. From there you can select any category you want, and here you can also see in the explore section I want to download, let's suppose this font or also this font. What I can do, I can just click on download. Once I do that, you can see the font is now downloaded. So in order to install this in our Davinci Resolve, what we need to do, just open the file explorer and go to your download section where you have downloaded the file. So this is the file which we have downloaded where our font is. So I just need to hit right click, then click on extract all, click on extract. Here is the font. I'll just double click on it and this is the file which we need to install. So double click on it and here we have the install option. In case if you're seeing a lot of files there, you just need to find the TTF file because that is the file which we need to install in order to use that font in our Davinci Resolve. So here we just need to click on install. It will take some time. Once it is done, just close this and restart your Davinci Resolve because you need to restart to update the font in your Davinci Resolve. Once you restart your Davinci Resolve, click on the text, go to inspector, and if we just click on font family, here we can find our font and the font name was Mithila. So we'll just try to find it. Here you can see we have successfully installed our font. So yeah guys, that's how you can install the font in Davinci Resolve. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do that, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.